Hello everyone, welcome to Karma Education. This is the channel for UGC NET Education Paper 2 and it has a target to cover the whole syllabus of UGC NET Education subject particularly. We already have discussed subunit A, B and C of unit 2. Now we will start subunit D of unit 2, which includes a relationship between politics and education, perspectives of politics of education, approaches to understanding politics, political development and political socialization. Topic wise discussion will be uploaded over here. Viewers, you people stay tuned. In this video, I am Konkona Pal going to talk about perspectives of politics of education from the viewpoint of liberal, conservative, and critical. In this topic, political view in education will be discussed under three areas like liberal, conservative, and critical. Now, liberal view of education. As we know, liberal means accept others' opinions. Liberal education is concerned with person's general knowledge and experience than technical or professional training. Liberal education gives emphasis on person's general knowledge and experience rather than technical or professional training. Okay. The second thing is it also helps to be prepared to deal with complexity, diversity and change. It helps students to develop social responsibility. Intellectual and practical skills are also developed by liberal education that cover all major fields of study. So, liberal view of education inculcate the ability to respect or accept behavior or opinions which is different from one's own. Liberal view of education aims to develop some fundamental values like liberty, equality, and rationality. Liberty or individual freedom includes to pursue own needs and interests, realization of interests, and to be free from all constraints, whereas equality focused on dealings with others, equal opportunity, etc. And rationality helps to identify what will produce or reduce our happiness, what are the basis for resolution of conflict, and most importantly, rationality helps to search for truth, which is known as Kantian view. German philosopher Immanuel Kant considered rationalism, which comes from reason. So, these three values, liberty, equality, and rationality, are the basis of liberal view of education. Liberal education is considered as elitist because it mainly for upper social classes or who have high degree of measured intelligence. According to some proponents of liberal education, it is the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake. It means it is based on intrinsic values rather than extrinsic values. Liberal education was advocated in the 19th century by the thinkers John Henry Newman, Thomas Huxley, and F.T. Morris. Next one is conservative view of education. Conservative means traditional, conventional. It means who prefers the preservation of the status quo or the current state of affairs. They gives more importance to the tried and tested traditions of the past generations rather than to the new system of the present period. The principles of conservative view of education are to follow the political order. It gives emphasis on nationalism and importance on morality and loyalty. Forms of conservatism. Liberal conservatism is a political ideology. Liberal conservatism gives emphasis on conservative policies with liberal stances, especially on social, economic, and ethical issues. It means liberal conservatism tries to solve any economic or social or ethical issue by conservative view from liberal stances. The Irish political person Edmund Burke is known as father of liberal conservatism. Conservative liberalism. Besides liberal conservatism, conservative liberalism is a form of liberalism which combines liberal values and policies with conservative stances. It means liberal solution from conservative stances. For example, commercialism, progressivism, and radical individualism. So, liberal conservatism and conservative liberalism just opposite of one another. Next is fiscal conservatism. Fiscal is relating to government revenue, especially taxes. Fiscal conservatism is a political economic philosophy. It is a political economic philosophy regarding fiscal policy and fiscal responsibility, which advocates low taxes, a reduced government spending, and minimal government waste. Some defining qualities of fiscal conservatism are free trade, deregulation of the economy, lower taxes, and privatization. Libertarian conservatism. It is political position that deals with morality, ethical beliefs, and equality. Next one is green conservatism. It believes that green prosperity and green development are integral part of the success of future human races. National conservatism upholds national interests. Besides this, cultural conservatism supports the preservation of the heritage of one nation, whereas religious conservatism believes to the traditions and teachings of the early founders of the religion. Progressive conservatism incorporates progressive policies alongside conservative policies. So, these are the various forms of conservatism which helps to fixed aim of education from the conservative point of view. Now, critical view of education. Liberal view has given emphasis on acceptance of different opinion, whereas conservative view talked about to follow the tradition. And now critical view is focused on meaning making in spite of giving emphasis on tradition. It is a theoretical perspective. It is a theoretical perspective through which people make moral choices in social context. It has two alternative perspectives on higher education. One is to increase earning capacity through imparting skills, and another one is make able to fulfill a social role beyond merely supplying skilled personnel. Another important aim is emancipation of disadvantaged groups through inculcation of critical consciousness. So, these are the three different views of politics in education. I hope this video will be helpful to you to understand the perspectives of politics in education. Be connected with my channel to get more information about each topic of UGC NET education syllabus. I am also taking online class for UGC NTA NET education subject. Interested viewers can mail me, also can join in WhatsApp and Telegram group. I have added all the links in the description box.